by and between the City Government of Alaminos, Pangasinan and the Department of Labor and Employment Regional Office 1 for the implementation of government internship program in the city.
Councilor Gary De Leon, Chairperson on Labor.
Yes, Mr. Chair, I move for the adoption of this resolution.
It's been moved by Councilor Gary De Leon, seconded by Councilor Bernabe, Councilor Lanoy, Councilor Segundera, Councilor Rapado, and Councilor Apalbacay for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is adopted. Next item.
Resolution authorizing City Mayor Art Brian Celeste to execute a deed of donation in behalf of the City Government of Alaminos, Pangasinan for a portion of parcel of rice land located at Barangay Paramis, Alaminos City, in favor of the National Bureau of Investigation, purposely for the construction of NBI buildings.
Councilor Rosalito Padrera, the Chairman on Land Use.
Mr. Chair, I move for approval of the said resolution.
It has been moved by Councilor Rosalito Padrera, seconded by Councilor Segundera and Councilor De Castro for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Resolution authorizing City Mayor Art Brian Celeste to enter into a memorandum of agreement by and between the City Government of Alaminos, Pangasinan and the Department of Information and Communications Technology for the implementation of the technology empowerment for education, employment, entrepreneurs, and economic development, or the Tech4F program in the city of Alaminos.
Councilor Apalbacay.
Mr. Chair, I move for this
It's been moved by Councilor Apalbacay, seconded by Councilor Rapado, Councilor Segundera, Councilor De Castro, Councilor Sison, Councilor De Leon, and Councilor Lanoy for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection? Hearing the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Resolution approving the utilization of the calendar year 2017 and 2018 local disaster risk reduction and management special trust fund and investment plan amounting to 17,157,872 pesos and 64 centavos for disaster projects and programs of the city of Alaminos, Pangasinan.
Councilor Serino, Chairperson of Finance.
Mr. Chair, I'm going over the resolution 29-29. This is on yan. We pass a similar resolution for the spent in the fund for 2016, not subject to 2017 and 2018. The resolution is well ago. We inform that some items of our resolution might have been both delivered, which are still in the proposed resolution. But we request for the government and the organization to review.
Okay.
We might be purchasing local items. Quite many.
Yeah, actually, kasi kanina lang rin dumating to, no? So,
Dami.
hindi ko rin basa in full. Baka madoble or baka hindi pa nabigay yung nasa barangay.
Wala pa. Yung silent lang yung nabigay.
Yung megaphone, iba pa yun.
No?
Megaphone?
Hindi yung silent lang. Yung parang pagpapahana.
Okay.
Serena, o. Ano ginamit namin pag show. Lumabas yung lahat.
So, ano? Ah,
Akala nila may sunog.
so, Councilor Segundera, okay lang naman. CDR. So, we will, since it arrived a bit late, hindi natin siya na-tackle, so we'll study muna yung ano nangyayari dito sa funding. And kung meron man kayong mga suggestions sa barangay na gusto ilagay, maybe we can also propose for them to include to support our barangay. So, Councilor Cirilo moves to calendar. Shall we defer or shall we for second reading in our next regular session?
Just
Okay.
our
So,
next.
Councilor Cirilo calendars the said item for second reading in our next regular session. Any second? Seconded by Councilor Oscar Bowling. Any objection? amendment discussion. Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby calendared for second reading in next regular session. Next item. Wala na ba? So, sure ka na miss? Wala na. What is our action regarding, so our proposed resolution, item number 1, shall we defer it to our next regular session?
I move that simply defer, Mr. Chair,
Mhm.
conversation.
It's been moved by Councilor Locke, seconded by Councilor, any second, Boli, and Councilor Pandelera to defer item number 1 under proposed resolutions in our next regular session next week. Any announcements? Councilor Raul Bakay, happy birthday.
Regarding po sa mga tuga kasi